So the headline reads, Trump administration is offering illegal immigrants $1,000 to self-deport. At this point, frankly, I'm not even shocked at this administration anymore. When you read headlines like this one, and you are a foreign national yourself, or maybe you have a relative or spouse that is a foreign national, does it intimidate you in filing for immigration benefits right now? Well, today I'm going to tell you that you are not alone. Welcome back to Winning Law. I'm attorney David Nguyen with offices in Houston, Texas. Many immigration attorneys right now are posting on the immigration Facebook groups that they are seeing a rapid decline in immigration filings ever since Donald Trump took office. Well, today I'm going to tell you this. Do not be afraid or intimidated by the Trump administration. Although you hear about Trump trying to deport this group and that group, let me just tell you that often his actions are being overturned. If you don't believe me, let me give you a few examples. Let me read you a few headlines. Here's an article on April 9th stating that Donald Trump revoked hundreds of international student visas. A few weeks later, can you guess what happened? The Trump administration reverses its policies. Here's another article, April 16, stating that a man was wrongfully deported to El Salvador. A few weeks later, what happened? A federal judge ordered the Trump administration to bring the man back to the United States twice. And lastly, here's an article about Trump trying to deport U.S. citizens. A few weeks later, can you guess what happened? If you answer that Trump got spanked by Congress and the U.S. Department of Homeland Security was forced to concede that U.S. citizens could not be deported, you would be correct.
Do you believe the Constitution guarantees due process to everyone in America?
Due process is exactly what this Congress lays out.
Yes or no?
It is,
Okay, ma'am, I'll take that as a no.
On due process
Excuse me, I'm trying to ascertain your understanding of the law as it applies to your department, and you as its leader should be able to give us a yes or no answer because judge after judge has ruled that the law is not being followed. Do you believe that the U.S. government has the authority to deport American citizens?
No, and we are not deporting
great.
U.S. citizens.
I'm so happy to hear that you do not believe that the law gives you that authority because the federal government has no authority under U.S. laws to deport any American citizen.
Do you see the common trend here? If you can't see it, let me just spell it out for you. The Trump administration is doing a lot of illegal things, and they are constantly being overturned by his own administration, Congress, or the Supreme Court. So if you qualify for immigration benefits, such as applying for a family-based green card, maybe a tourist visa, asylum, or any other type of immigration benefit, do not let the Trump administration intimidate you from applying for immigration benefits. As long as you have an experienced immigration attorney who carefully reviews your family, immigration, criminal, and financial history for any problems, and they represent you during the entire pendency of your immigration filing, you should not have anything to worry about. I know that many attorneys out there claim that they do this and that, and they have good reviews. Well, but let me just show you the type of approvals that our office has received just in the last week. And it's only Wednesday. Remember, it takes 7 to 10 business days to receive these notices, but I can guarantee you that all the notices I'm about to show you came in during the last 7 days. Employment authorization documents are still getting approved. Advanced parole documents for international travel are still getting approved. Green card applications are still getting approved. VAWA petitions are still getting approved. Naturalization cases are still getting approved. And N-600 applications are still being processed normally. As you can see, if you use an experienced immigration attorney, you will be safe during the immigration journey, and you can sleep very well knowing that your immigration attorney is constantly monitoring your case. And if they are like anything like our office, they will notify you of any changes that may impact you. Lastly, let me end this video by reminding you of all the benefits of having your own green card here in the United States. You can obtain a driver's license and not be afraid of being pulled over. You are safe for being placed in deportation proceedings and will not have any issues traveling internationally as long as you adhere to the terms and conditions of your green card status. Remember, being in deportation proceedings is very costly. Most likely you can expect fees to be at least several tens of thousands of dollars. As a green card holder, you can also file immigrant petitions to sponsor your foreign spouse and or children. Also, you are one step closer to obtaining your citizenship, which you can apply for within 3 years if you're married to a U.S. citizen or 5 years if you are not. After you obtain your citizenship, you can vote, apply for certain federal jobs, join the military, or sponsor your foreign fiancé, siblings, or your parents. As you can see, it's better to file your immigration paperwork now versus sleeping with your eyes wide open. Trump is not going anywhere for the next several years, so it's best for you to apply for immigration benefits when they are still available. The longer you wait, more likely the Trump administration will make the process more difficult. So if you're still hesitant about filing your immigration case, please comment and let me know exactly why you are afraid. Thanks again for watching Winning Law, and we hope that we have made immigration easier to understand.
At David Nguyen's Law Office, we are here to help you. We bring families together through immigration. And on the other hand, we help you find solutions. All your legal needs in the hands of people who care, who are there for you. We'll take care of your loved ones at the law office of David Nguyen.